What's good? It's your boy Tim Gunn, aka Tim I Bust My Gun. I'm here with the Bodega Boys, and I met these guys last week, and they are making it work. The opinions expressed by these two wingdings may or may not be the opinions of Viacom or whatever conglomerate they're currently employed by. Bodega Boys, drop that shit. Peace, my niggas.
Yo, episode 32. Bodega Boys in the building, the world's most dangerous podcast, live from 220 West 18th Street. Bop, 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 do the drop. The art.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, it's your boy Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, aka Chris That's Porcelain Dick, aka Eli Lippy, aka Butchers Gully, aka Slow But I Might Know Ya Bitch, aka Young Day Party, Yay Hot Take. DJ Fuego.
That's right.
Mr. Nando's with Giraldo. Mr. 1994. Mr. Mikhail going off. Mr. Pull Up from 40 with your shorty. Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marino with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe.
Oh God. Yo, it's your boy Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Donovan with Dab, you know what I'm saying? Aka Phil the Ass Tyson, aka Skirt Loader, you know what I'm saying? Your boy, when you see me at Target, nigga, don't look me directly in my eyes. Actually swipe my card again, nigga, put the little plastic bag over it, because I'm sure it works. You know what I'm saying? If you see the name on the guest list, check again because it's there.
Check
you know what I'm saying? Been Smack Biombo, you know what I'm saying? Ishima Stevie B, el más papi chulo de todos los chulos, papi tírame. Por WhatsApp.
Hey. Back in the building. Episode 32. A lot going on. So much shit going on. Shout out to the sponsors right off the ripping it here. Red Bull, of course. Oh shit. The crystal clear quality coming from the studio.
About to grab the
Listen to Mero as Mero opens the orange joint. Listen to it.
I'm about to take the medication with the medication, if you feel me. You know what I'm
saying? Shit, it's lit. Shout out to Heather's show. Shout out to Narcan, the Zika vaccine. Not a shout out to ISIS. You've been wilding. Just killing people. Somebody's waking up at ISIS right now. I scroll it through their phone like, oh shit, I gotta kill myself. I gotta pull myself up today.
Damn, that's today, nigga?
Damn. You put a post-it note for that shit? Oh, shit. You just know.
Nigga, imagine you, because this is what I do when I don't want to forget shit. I literally write shit on a post-it note and put it on my door.
On the door.
So when I walk out.
You be like groggy, you go get water, like, I forgot.
Damn, suicide bomb.
Today I martyred myself.
Damn. Fuck.
Damn. I gotta call and cancel the vet appointment.
Damn.
I'm taking my goat in.
Damn.
Oh,
who's gonna take him?
Oh, who's taking Benny?
Shit, Malik.
Benny needs his shots.
Malik will take him. You think?
Malik? No. Also, before you blow yourself up, what happened about the 20 yennies you owe me?
You know what I mean? A little slow.
You about to have your 72 virgins. Maybe I get more money now.
Low key, like once you, you know what I'm saying, move on. Who got me on that? You know what I'm saying? Because
praise be to the Most High. But what's up with those Jordans? Can I get those? I mean, you're not gonna need them tomorrow.
Yo, it's just a PlayStation, nigga. Like you dead, you can't really play it. You know what I'm saying? Like what's good?
Damn, the problematic light is on. Right off the rip.
Heavily.
Right off the rip.
Notice I didn't do an accent though. You know what I'm saying? I didn't go
we didn't do an accent because God is working on us.
Right.
We didn't do like some wild offensive.
And I said
thing.
Malik, which is a very
common name.
Yeah,
you could have been talking about someone from Philly.
That's right.
You could have been talking about Black Thought.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, Tariq.
You
Whatever.
know what I'm saying?
Shout to Black Thought.
Do you want porn?
Hey,
you know
I'm from Philly.
That's right.
All right.
That was the longest shout out ever at the end of that song, by the way.
Their whole album was just one big shout out to Philly. They shout out everybody in Philly. Like if you was on a street corner, you got a shout out.
Shout
out to Philly. Shout out to Philly and their cheesesteaks and everything. Philly.
Yeah, I feel like we've never shouted out Philly, so shout out to Philly.
Nah, we shouted out Philly because I went there for the Roots picnic.
Oh, that's right.
And I was like, skirt. I was in the alleys smoking weed as if weed was legal out there.
And they got alleys.
In
Philly.
They got alleys. You'll come up missing.
Yeah. Shout out to Philly, yo.
The scariest alleys I've ever come across.
Shout out to Badlands.
Philly's alleys are scary. Southside Chicago. Those alleys are like,
those, you don't go to, those don't even appear on GPS.
No, like Google Maps is like, yo, mind your business.
Yeah, zero Pokestops.
You don't need to see this shit.
No Pokestops whatsoever.
That's only Pokestops where like you're like, yo, a wild Vice Lord appeared. You don't want that.
Yo, how long until this crack vial hatches?
Oh
you know
shit! Shout out to the Hunters gang, everybody at Liberty Park and shit. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my white people fake concerned about the shooting rate in Chicago.
True.
You just be like 68
people got shot. When you go over there,
you don't do nothing, nigga. You just go take a picture with the fucking bean, touching the bean, and then you go home.
Go to the Ferris wheel.
Nigga.
It's not real.
Frontin'.
Shout out to G Herbo and
You know what I'm
shit.
saying? Shout out to G Herbo. You know what I'm saying? Gang, we out there. You know what I'm saying? Ball Lanka Kobe in stores now.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm
Tim
saying?
Gunn, G Herbo,
Yo, out here.
Doug Herzog. Like,
You know
we
what I'm
just be
saying?
like,
the Rolodex is wild.
We just out here with dudes.
Literally just this morning, just now, some dude was like, yo, I played the latest episode of Bodega Boys for a 60-year-old white Republican male, and he could not stop laughing.
Listen.
I was like, yo, son, the brand is prowling.
The brand is so strong,
Told you niggas, man. Told you niggas, man.
I was cleaning up the hard drive, you know, at the Bodega Cave where we keep the masters.
You know what I'm saying?
And I was listening to like episode 2. And episode 2, we was kind of wild shaky, like, yo, this, you know, like it was like hit or miss, kind of like, yo, we knew he had something, but we didn't know. Yeah. Like now,
that's when you cook it and it blows up 4 times. You're like, yo, son, whoa.
That's when the fiends come back scratching, like, yo,
nigga,
yo,
200 a gram in NYU for this shit.
Yo, my man Trey OD'd off this bag, so I know it's good shit.
It's hot bag, nigga.
Hot bag. He just couldn't handle it. You got any more of that heroin with the Arthur stamp?
You know what I'm saying?
I got PBS heroin.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas got the meme stamps on the heroin.
Yo, who wants Magic School Bus?
Who wants Crying Jordan, nigga?
Oh man,
yo, niggas shooting Crying Jordan in the streets.
Man, speaking of Crying Jordan,
yo,
your man came out in favor of Black Lives Matter.
Shout out to him, finally.
Shout out to him, finally. Or late,
dog. That's like
fucking late.
That's like you cheat on your girl 6 times and then you like,
then you finally like, yo, I'm
gonna take you to Puerto Rico for the weekend, ma.
I'm gonna do right by you.
You know what I mean? We gonna take you to Luquillo Beach, ma's mad pretty full out
there.
You
put it on Instagram in all caps, like, yo, even though I do wrong by her, she stands by me.
By my
she
queen.
keeps it 100.
Know what I mean?
All right, only thing I keep 100 is my love for her and my phone. And you put it up there like, this is my queen. And you put the ring emoji.
Chill.
That's Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan was like, yo, he did the math. Well, first, I think Melo probably kept walking by him.
I told niggas the Mero Diamonds fucking prediction. Melo came out strong. Shout out to Melo. Melo for president. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Loopy.
Melo.
Yo, Melo, God, nigga. You know what I'm saying? New York City.
Melo. Bully ball.
You know what I'm saying? Bully ball. Melo and fucking the New York City has emboldened him. You know what I'm saying? Has made him take a stance. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to him. You know what I mean? Because he started the whole shit. He signed to Team Jordan.
That's right.
Therefore, he applied the pressure to Jordan indirectly. Because I don't think he actually went to Mike and was like, yo, we playing the back 9 right now, my nigga, for 100K. Or you got to do Black Lives Matter. What's up?
Right.
What bet you taking? He's like, I'll do that Black Lives Matter shit.
Nah, I think it was more like he seen Jordan, like he came into the office and shit, and Jordan probably had his feet up smoking a cigar. He was watching the news about someone got killed. It was like, ha 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 ha, good for that nigga. And Melo was like, where? Where?
Oh, where, Mike?
Apologize.
Mike, apologize to Melo 5.
Apologize to Melo 5, Mike.
Now what happened was
but you know what? Now people are coming in all late on Black Lives Matter. Like also, like,
the ice challenge.
I've been down.
Oh, yeah,
I've been down.
Yeah, I've been rocking with y'all.
I've been rocking with B.
Know what I'm saying?
Come on, it's gang, BLM gang.
You know what I mean? All day, nigga, since Trayvon. You know what I mean?
Come on, me and Hillary, man.
You feel me? Yo, I seen George Zimmerman at Walmart. I was like, fuck you, nigga, from like in the parking lot.
Hands up, don't shoot. That was me.
Fuck up.
Nah, niggas ain't BLM.
Niggas ain't BLM, nigga.
BLM. You can't just hop on this shit.
You gotta go see the big homies.
All right? Fucking D-Ray don't know your name. You ain't BLM.
You know what I mean?
All right?
Handshake is looking shaky out here. Nigga, you know what I'm saying?
If Netta ain't give you your beads, are you really in this gang?
You not really.
You not in.
Not really.
Early.
Made them shit himself, nigga. Went to Michael's.
Did Jesse Williams burn you 3 times on your arm with a cigarette?
No. You're not really down.
You're not down for real.
Not banging for real.
I earned my stripes.
False flagging ass niggas.
Slashing white people in their face and being like, hey, stop police violence.
Stop. Guys, cut it out.
Come on, guys. Sorry to cut you.
Yo. Nah, but what actually happened is the true story is Michael's financial advisor was like, yo, Mike, $2.2 million is the max money that you get at rate it off on taxes. And he was like, no doubt, let's get it.
Let's get it. You know also, somebody was like, he was like, wait. He like put the cigar out and was like, hold up. If these niggas is getting killed, what niggas is gonna buy my sneakers?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, nigga did the Weebay gift like,
He sucked in on the cigar and it came out as a question mark. The smoke. He was like, yo. Oh man.
Oh shit, chill. Yo, you right, Melo.
And then like the TV show, like the Chef Curry's, and he was like, yo,
chill.
Yo, nah, not going down like that.
No way.
Michael Jeffrey Jordan stands in solidarity with BLM.
His son came out the back room with a hooker like, yo, word, dad.
Yeah.
We need that bread.
He's like, yo.
Oh, this bitch $1,000. You got me?
He's like, I've always stood by black. Mostly on the blackjack table. And the roulette wheel.
Yo, nigga do a press conference and be like, I always bet on black, y'all.
Right?
Every time.
American society has told you not to hit on a soft 19, but I believe in black people.
That's right.
And black fabrics and black
representation, y'all. Understand. When I donate $2.2 million, it's so that I immediately get it back on my taxes, and y'all can continue to buy Fusions.
He's gonna release Black Lives Matter Jordans.
Oh, I can't wait.
And they're gonna be so fucking fire.
Didn't they do was it Jordan or was it just Nike that did Black History Month?
Well, see, here's the bullshit about Nike. Because you know I just did though. Here's the bullshit. So you know about to drop some knowledge.
Okay, I can't wait. Before you go,
Desus about the Afrocentric Desus. Right, Zach is back up my Afro and I got a dashiki and not that cheap shit from 125th Street. I got the real dashiki,
the leather Africa pen,
the leather shit. All right, got the studio smelling like black soap,
straight sandalwood.
Nike has Black History Month, the Black History Month collection. They call it the BHM, and it's like full of like wild kente cloth. The shit is wild fugazi.
Yeah.
And if you read up closely, it says proceeds from the Black History Month collection will go to charity.
Okay.
Wyatt Cenac, shout out to him, the homie. A couple years ago, he was like, "Yo, what charity is this going to?" He investigated. Apparently, Nike made their own charity that they donated said proceeds to.
Oh wow. So they donated to the Nike charity.
He rode them for like a week. He got blocked by the Nike Twitter account because he's going so hard.
Damn.
Now they changed it up. Now they give it to some wingding like academy. That's probably their shit also.
Yeah.
Here's the other part.
Kevin Durant Basketball Academy.
You know what I'm saying? The fucking Steph Curry light skin kids academy for yellow kids. But here's the bullshit. Nike also has Law Enforcement Appreciation Day.
Wow.
Where if you are a member of law enforcement, you get 30% off your sneakers.
Well, all Puerto Rican cops wear Nike boots. That's why.
Yeah. ACGs.
ACGs. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you're going to be sick when fucking Officer Rubiez chumps you down in a fucking pair of duck boots. The Nike joints.
Shout out to them because when they step on your head, the air bubble gives you a little cushion. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is comfortable.
Oh, it's a little more cozy.
These are original Air Max?
Oh, wow.
Oh. Tinker Hatfield outdid himself. Shout out to Bill O'Reilly.
You know what I'm saying?
Who said that the slave, because Michelle Obama at the DNC gave a wonderful speech. She said every day she wakes up in a house built by slaves. Yeah. Facts.
Straight
facts, B.
I mean,
like a New York girl nutting during sex. Straight facts, B. Straight facts, my nigga. Oh fuck.
Oh damn.
Oh shit, nigga. Slapbox that clit.
Oh shit.
So
play handball on that clit.
Oh shit,
Puerto Rican
nigga.
nigga play handball on the clit.
Nigga, put on some duck down while you beat up this pussy.
Fingerless gloves.
Anyway, nigga play paddleball. Yay,
papi! We ain't gonna park is lit.
You gotta hit the clit the way like when you making a coco helado with the ice. You scrape the ice. I digress. We were wilding. It's early, but no. Michelle Obama said that, and then Bill O'Reilly was like, "Nah, actually, the slaves were well fed."
He had to say that because he couldn't even try to front and act like the shit wasn't built by slaves because the shit was built like 1709 and shit. Like, what the fuck?
Bill O'Reilly thinks like Extreme Makeover Home Edition. Like they moved the bus and then the White House was there.
Like,
that's not how it worked.
It wasn't property bros, nigga. It was fucking slavery.
It wasn't flip my house.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna take out this adjoining wall over here.
Yeah. Sell it, buy it or sell it. Love it.
Tim wanted a second home. Our first home in Nova Scotia was good, but not for the winter. We're looking at the White House. It looked wonderful. But when we went, it was still under construction by slaves.
Oh, and with the baby on the way, we needed extra storage. So we wanted to turn the slave quarters into a playroom.
You know what? It made me uncomfortable when they cut off that little girl's foot for running away, but I think they're still going to finish under budget. Yo, like the shit was built by slaves, Bill O'Reilly. He said well-fed slaves.
Yeah, right.
And then you got all the white people.
What is a well-fed slave?
All the white people on Twitter, like, you know, there were Irish slaves. They weren't slaves. Right. They were just Irish people who drank too much and owed niggas money. Right? Timmy O'Sullivan ran off with the potatoes and had to pay back that debt.
He had to stop fraying.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
That shit was not chattel slavery, my nigga.
Timmy, you seem to have eaten the potatoes 2 weeks ago.
I got you next Tuesday. I told you I am good for it.
My nigga, it's been 3 weeks and you said that 2 weeks ago.
Can I borrow a quid for a pint?
Well, actually, get the fuck out of my face.
I saw a funny handicap comic. Shout out to everyone in Ireland.
Yeah, who's furious with us right now.
Shout out to I have, you know what? I have actually blood relatives in Ireland.
Oh shit.
I'm named after my grandfather.
Oh shit.
But apparently his nickname was Mass. which is short for master. So I'd rather not explore that line of my.
Shout out to him.
Listen to genealogy. What is it? What's that? Genealogy.com?
Ancestry.
Ancestry.com? Yeah, I'm not signing up for that shit.
Yeah, I did.
I don't need to find out that.
I did.
More
it's
about
crazy.
that story right there.
I traced back my great grandfather Eugenio de la Rosa actually drove a Lincoln Town car across the ocean. You know what I'm saying?
That
to
sounds.
America. He was the first Dominican.
You should make a play.
You know what I'm saying?
Make a play like Hamilton about that.
You know what I'm saying? His journey.
People love shit like that.
You know what I mean?
Dominicans are so hot right now.
You know what I'm saying? It's so hot right now.
So hot right now. Yo, shout out to the white. Wow, God is working on us because I did not say that white bitch.
Oh, okay.
Shout out to that white lady that wrote the article about Dykeman being too loud.
Oh, wow. You can say white bitch for that.
She deleted her Twitter. She's done. She's out of there.
Yo, get out. You fucking move to Dykeman and be like, it's too loud, dog.
Yo.
Are you kidding me? Do you know where you're going? That's like, move to Iraq and be like, yo, damn, why there's always drones out here? What's up with all these drones?
All right, that was very American and hurtful. You can't be making jokes about drones.
Come on.
There's a poor kid underneath a kobaba tree. Is that a type of tree? Anybody in the room? Is that a real tree? No? Fuck it.
Because like my software, my phone hasn't updated yet.
Aisha's listening to this. She's like, "That's not Jesus. That tree is not indigenous to."
No,
it's problematic.
Actually,
Jesus.
So, can you please?
It's still gang.
All day.
Shout out to Aisha. No, but there's a kid listening to Bodega Hive. Yeah. He's listening to this on shortwave radio, and he's like, "Wow."
He's like, "Damn, y'all."
He's like, "Wow,"
but he's laughing though.
He's like, "Wow, Mero's fucked up." He's laughing about drones, but it's a cloudy day. I'm
just shining a light on your pain, my G. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody is.
Listen, the same way people in the Middle East have to look out for drones. We're from the Bronx. We have to look out for just random niggas with guns. Drones.
Cops putting towers anywhere.
Oh, that's true. Those towers are scary.
Put them shits all over the place.
But I'm not saying we should push them over. But all I'm saying is they tip over easy.
You know what I'm saying? If you have,
if you get a running start,
you know what I mean. Also, if you have a 1/16 socket wrench, a lot of the bolts at the base are very loosely bolted, so you might be able to, you know what I'm saying, allegedly knock one down. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
Yo, the Division, the video game. Someone asked what I was talking about. The Division for Xbox One and PS4,
gang,
which is about after a virus wipes out society in New York.
Modified version of smallpox. It's so crazy how they made the backstory mad realistic.
It's very realistic.
You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit could happen.
No, it could only happen. And it's the government. They're like, yo, here, play this game. And now you're like, oh, this could happen. And now in your head, you're like, yo, this could happen. And when it does happen, they could be like, we told y'all.
Told y'all. Niggas, Trump was president. Like, what you thought was going to happen?
That's it. Russia over here hacking people.
Yo, shout out to Donald Trump.
Donald Trump
snitching. And fucking just out here treasoning
this
like
guidelines,
a motherfucker.
There's parameters. This street shit you can't do. That's how you know Donald Trump's never been punched in the face.
Never.
What he did,
nigga breaking the G code all over the place.
That's like when like you hustling and then you call the cops on another dude hustling. You can't do that.
You can't do that.
It's not in the game.
Go over there and bust your gun, son.
Oh, come out there with a
bust your gun. Don't call Officer O'Flaherty.
Oh,
fucking clown.
Hi, 911.
Oh, I think you should check. I think you should check for the other emails that she left.
Like, come on, Donald Trump.
Fuck out of here.
Damn.
Fuck Donald Trump.
You know what? In a street fight, Hillary would beat the living shit out of. Like,
she watch him, and
she would do that. She would do that dirty Bronx shit where you kick someone repeatedly in the head when you're down.
She'll rip his weave off.
She'd be like, yo, she'd be like, spit on him. She'd be like, yo, fuck you fucking pussy.
Fuck over his whole tracks.
Just like, Bill in the back, like, fuck him up, boo.
Fuck him up, Bill.
Fuck him up, Bill.
He'll get him. Get him. Get him in the plums. Hit him in the plums. Right in the plums.
Kick that nigga in the plums. Did I say that word? I'm sorry. I'm first black president. I'm all right.
I'll play the saxophone.
I know Arsenio.
Nigga, you got washed.
She's like, Donald Trump, you fucking pussy. Fucking Hillary just rips her shirt open like, yo.
Obama's like, damn, nigga, you got washed. This nigga's out here getting washed like a motherfucker. God damn, Michelle, come look at this shit. You got your iPhone on deck? Take a video. Yo, Barry's gonna be out here now. Barry's gonna be out here to do world star videos. What's he gonna do?
Doing covers, gonna do rap genius annotations,
filters and shit. Niggas gonna do this Snapchat filter like, I'm out here, man, looking wild thotty in the streets.
Gonna be hosting the Breakfast Club and shit,
lip syncing some fucking Weekend songs and shit. On this list, nigga, Barry lip syncing Bryson Tiller on the fucking Snap. God damn, Barry, don't do it. Give us like at least a year of like wild serious, like you know what I'm saying? Don't.
Barry gonna be out here wildin'.
Yo, I can't wait. I'm sad that he's gonna become not president anymore, but I'm hyped for post presidential Barack.
You know what fucked up? His fucking whack ass brother Malik came out.
It's always Malik.
Malik was like, I'm voting for Trump.
word?
Oh.
Oh, word? Oh, so, hold on. Mama, pass me the biscuit.
You know, Malik came through at Thanksgiving dinner like, oh, what's up, Barry?
Oh, okay. Mama, pass me the biscuits and the gravy.
What's up, Barry?
I'm about to get in this nigga's ass.
What's up, Barry? I thought you could pay for my furniture.
First of all, the president. Malik, you bum ass nigga. I set you up with 3 interviews and you didn't show up to a single one.
Why do I gotta go on the interview? I thought you was the president.
I'm the motherfucking president, but they are trying to dead my Secret Service detail. Do you understand what that means for me? I'm in danger in these streets, Malik, and you over here talking shit. I got you an interview at Home Depot. You didn't show up.
You're so pussy because you're half
kiosk.
white.
Oh, god damn it. You're always bringing up that white shit. Why you always bringing up old shit? I'm from Kenya, nigga. My ancestors will throw a spear straight through your motherfucking chest. Malik, shut the fuck up and eat your biscuits. Mama, get this nigga out of here.
Yeah, look at let me see your birth certificate.
Motherfucker.
Malik Obama. You could do a whole TV show about her scumbag brother Malik.
Malik is like a sitcom. Malik is the fucking Buddy Lembeck of the Obama family.
Malik Obama is
like, yo,
would you go shopping with your mother? And you're like, can we get Rice Krispies? She's like, oh, actually, we go to the No Frills aisle.
That's right.
You could get puffed rice.
That's right.
It comes in a white bag.
Get your puffed rice, nigga, and be happy.
That shit got not snack, crackle, pop. It's like Twitch, Crunchu, and ouch. It's like, mommy, these Rice Krispie treats are snitching. They're like, yo, the killers are 4B.
May contain fiberglass. That shit got Newport butts in it. Like, what the fuck?
It's like, warning, not for human consumption.
Dog, I'm just so glad that I got siblings that have real jobs and are responsible, because I couldn't put up with a Malik. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure I got cousins, you know what I'm saying, but they're an ocean away.
I feel bad because for a little while I was the Malik of my family.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, there can't be no Malik because I was the Malik. Niggas was the Malik, so we came up. So
no,
fuck you, Malik. Now we're better than you.
I remember one of my dark days I had to steal cheese from my mother's house.
Dog.
We've all been there, guys, working on all of us.
Yo, for real.
Someone on Twitter the other day was like, could you stretch $200 for a week?
Dog, I stretched $20 for a week.
I was like, dog, I would stretch $200 for a month.
Are you kidding?
First thing you got to do is buy a bag of potatoes. You're good for the month.
That's it.
You're good for the month off of that.
Dog.
You can make like 17 different meals.
Dog, you know how much rice? You can take a quarter cup of rice and that shit blows up into an entire meal.
But the worst part is you don't want to eat that because you know you're eating it because you're poor. And you have no choice and you have no appetite and shit.
And you're just like, fuck it, nigga.
And then you start eating sleep.
It's like ghetto Soylent, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's like Soylent.
When you are broke, sleep is like the best meal. You just be like, fuck it.
Fuck it.
You just go to sleep.
I'm going to drink this tap water, nigga. Go right to bed.
Go to bed. I got no reason to be awake.
Fuck this.
Fuck that.
That tap water don't even hit your tongue, fam. That shit goes right down your esophagus into your stomach. And then hit the sack. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe
just wake up tomorrow and think about life. Yeah,
cry a little when your fucking pillow.
Burn some calories by crying. Your body's all fucked up because it's trying to produce fat to like make up for you not eating and shit. So you're getting fat even though you're not eating.
You're sending out resumes to get an interview next Friday, even though rent is due this Friday.
Damn.
Listen, we all can't ever go back. Even just talking about it now, I get the chills.
Damn.
Nigga.
I was coming here and I was late, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to CPT. And fucking, I just had a flashback of going to like my actual job and being late, and like every minute that I was on that bus that was going by, I was like, fuck.
More trouble.
Fuck.
Stress.
Fuck. Yo, it's 7:59. I hope, I'm like, yo, it's 7:58.
Can this, you doing it about a minute.
Can this bus get from 183rd to 176 in 2 minutes? You know what I'm saying? Like, can it do it? You know what I'm saying? You know damn well you're not getting up there and punching your time card before fucking 8 o'clock, but you think you could do it and you delude yourself. Thank God niggas ain't doing that shit no more.
Somebody on Twitter this morning was like, yo, I miss the old Desus used to tweet about hating work. Like,
some dudes
why would
like,
you want that shit?
No, you don't want that.
You know what? I was miserable, nigga.
Don't want to send the fax Desus.
You don't want that shit.
Always crappy attacks Desus.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking come back with the AR-15 Desus. set fire. Come back with a can of kerosene Desus. Right? Block the fire exits Desus.
You never seen Desus.
Right? You cool, I'm gonna let you live Desus. All right?
Yo, y'all don't really want that at all.
You don't want that.
Y'all want us to be happy, because when we happy, we produce.
We produce. Listen to this shit. It's fucking. It's like 11 in the morning. We're funny.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Drinking the orange Red.
I'm drinking orange Red Bull.
On the team winning the act fool. Shout out to my son with the 10 most Jamaican topics ever on Red Bull. Who was
on Twitter.
On Twitter.
Yes.
Shout out to you, my guy, because clearly you needed the shout out. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you know what? He's a small time, not small time dissing him, but he's like low, he's a Jamaican blogger or whatever.
Oh shit, shout out to you.
So
he's in Jamaica.
Only a Jamaican would make a compilation of just Jamaican moments.
Shout out to you. Yo, send us an empty barrel. We'll send it back with mad shit in it. You know what I'm saying?
We will fill it with stickers.
Mad shit.
Swad the Villain is his name. So shout out to him. Be sure to check his page. He reps Blaze 876 Radio.
Know what I mean?
All right. 13th Street Productions. Shout out to you, big homie.
Spanish Town in the building. Wagwan, wheel up.
Shout out to my cousins up in Magady over by Black River who don't have Wi-Fi and can't listen to the podcast. You know what I'm saying? I'll be in the Caribbean soon. I'll come in to visit.
Yo, I was thinking that shit.
For my coup, when I come take over Jamaica, I told you.
That's right.
You guys think I'm joking. Me and Mero are taking over Jamaica.
Put this thing on
He's not moving to New Jersey.
No.
You know what I'm saying? I'm giving him half the island.
I'm Skyping in from DR because we're going to do double coup.
We're turning Jamaica to the new Haiti DR.
That's right.
We'll give you half the island.
3 islands.
There we go.
Multiple.
Gonna be lit.
You know what I'm saying? Unstoppable. Niggas gonna be mad good.
No, we're gonna go to Jamaica and we're gonna
doubles.
We're gonna make weed legal in Jamaica, and we're gonna make Jamaica just a big resort for white people.
Isn't weed pretty much like legal?
Nah, we're gonna make it like super. We're gonna make it white people legal, which means like you can roll like you can roll like a 3-foot blunt and take a postcard with it, that kind of shit.
Yeah. Shit! People always do shit like that. They love it.
Listen,
yo, I seen some shit where it was like, Paul Wall smokes activist blunt, and it wasn't like an actual like blunt with activists in it. It was like a blunt that was the shape of a bottle of lean, and he filled it with weed. I was like, white people are ill.
These guys chill.
White people are ill. It's not, even when they become black like Paul Wall, they're still white people and they do wild white people shit.
I mean,
shout out to them.
They, it's not their natural look. Cause you know why?
They have no natural predators.
They have no natural predators. They also come from the Caucasus Mountains. Right. It's always cold.
Teach these devils.
Teach these devils. They don't know how to chill because they've never had to chill.
Teach, brother.
All they've ever done is vibrate and stay warm.
Them.
As they hug dogs, as they hunt meat and share them.
Yo.
They got dark fast.
Man. Yeah, dude.
Shout out to all my white people, though.
Yeah, I'm saying,
shout out to all my white people.
Love and support, man. We fuck with y'all, man.
You know Mero's married to a white person.
That's right. That's why I say whatever about white people.
I'm probably gonna marry a white real doll. It's gonna be lit.
Yo, as soon as I said this shit about the fucking documentary, I'm so Dominican.
Oh, okay.
Coño.
Wow. Look at Mero just stealing all the Jesus swag. Now we're not pronouncing shit right. Oh, you gonna come in blackface next week?
Yo, imagine getting blackface. You was mad angry next week.
Watch Mero gonna be at La Marina on Saturday in blackface.
Hiding my kids and shit, like burying them up to their neck in the sand.
He's like, I'm Jesus. I'm Jesus. The kid's like, yo, daddy, I burned my hand on hookah.
Oh shit, yo, these secret kids, they're mad light skin.
Oh shit,
get them. Yeah. Oh man! Shout out to anybody that's seen like, because we've been joking around all the time about people running up on us and approach like a bear. Joe Budden was approached like not a bear.
Not a bear. He was approached very disrespectfully.
You know what I'm saying? By these two wild boys who are Drake stans. Yo, listen, man. It's all fun and games until you get murked. You know what I'm saying? Like, to be completely honest, I think Joe Budden was gonna kill one of these niggas, but at the same time, it's like you can't run up on a nigga in their driveway, dog.
Yo, your man Joe Budden came through with the Palestinian stones.
Yo,
he was not playing.
He was ready to go to Yemen, nigga, with that shit, nigga. He was like, yo,
he was fighting Hamas or some shit.
He wasn't playing.
Nah, but shout out to him because I know, like, you can see he wanted to break the window on the car, which I completely get.
Yeah, yo, sometimes
you can't. You listen. This shit is fun and games. We're all a celebrity and shit like that, but you can't violate and run up on niggas' houses and shit.
That's right, yo. Shout out to
and then everyone on Twitter was like, I would do this if that happened. Like, you don't know what it is until it happens.
I was gonna say, like, dog, yo, shout out to fucking this sponsor, this show. You know what I'm saying? Actually, Heather, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to respect your agency, boo. You know what I'm saying?
And fucking like,
she told me, dog, you have rage issues because you get very angry over little things, like somebody stealing a parking spot or like whatever. And I was like, damn. At first, I seen the Joe Budden shit and I was like, haha, yo, man, funny memes, funny whatever. But then I'm like, what if that was me?
Yeah.
I was like, what if I would have really, because I would have smashed that window, my nigga. Like, seeing red,
I know.
Smash the window, pull it out.
I almost watched you kill somebody, so I know.
Like, yo, I was like, damn. I was like, bruh, that's actually not okay. Like, I would have did some fucked up shit. So then I go back and I'm like, yo, I can't even be mad at Joe for coming out with the Yemeni stones because I would have did way worse. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you for having restraints.
Yo, shout out to Young Lost _Rebel. True. Who ran up? He ran up on me. The car kind of skirted up like skirt.
Oh, the whip.
As I was walking my dog, and I was like, "Fuck!"
Drive by.
I was like, "Damn!"
You thought he was gonna do the Raekwon?
I was like, "Niggas got me." I was like, "Niggas got me right now." He was like, "Yo, what up, Jesus Nice? Yo, the brand is strong. Bodega Hive." I was like, "Yo, shit, let's go." He approached. You know that respectable. But when people approach him, when people was like, "Yo, I know you from somewhere," or like, "Yo, you're Jesus Nice." Like, if there's a difference. If someone's like, "Yo, it's Jesus Nice," versus, oh, you Jesus nice?
Yeah.
Like,
yo, niggas forget we didn't make up these, like, we didn't just make up these shit to do comedy. Like, this is not, I'm not doing an impression. Like, I'm Mero because I've been writing Mero on walls since like 1995. He's Desus because he's been doing Desus shit since a very long time. So, like, that's who we are. So if you run up and you're like, yo, what's up, Desus? What's up, Mero? I don't know if you're Bodega Hive or if you're fucking, you know what I'm saying, Tombs Hive. You know what I mean? And he was down there locked in there with a nigga like,
yo, that nigga with the peanut sandwiches.
Yeah, word, nigga.
Okay,
you don't want to bust me on that cigarette. I remember you.
Fuck that.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I ain't worried about that.
So push like a bear.
I'm moving to Calabasas. I don't care about
it's all good. Yeah. Malibu. What up?
Out of here.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to
Get
Bergen
these
County.
blonde highlights.
Bergen County. Yo, I seen a nice crib in Paramus. Listed at $690. You know what I'm saying? Might pull a triggy. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
You know what I'm saying?
Is it go time?
Yo, it might be go time.
Wow.
Niggas might be Mudroom Mero soon. You know what I'm saying? Shout to y'all for all your support. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, we're gonna do a special episode of.
I've been telling
we're gonna do a live show from Mero's new house
from the sunroom.
We're gonna have mad folded chairs and shit.
Yo,
get Tim Gunn to come through.
Yo, he's like, love it, make it work. Love the finished basement. Let's get a plaid wallpaper up. How about some gingham?
Shout out to gingham. I don't even know what that is. Is that a real? That's a real fabric?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man.
Pull it up on 40 swish. Niggas out here. You know, yo, shout out to fucking you know what I'm saying, the run the show.
You know, it's a lightweight, plain woven cotton.
Oh, well.
You know. For those not familiar.
You know what I'm saying? We getting fancy on niggas, bro. I can't wait till we've been
fancy for a minute.
We've
been fancy for. What's the fanciest shit I pulled this week? I was at.
You've been on some fancy shit.
I've been on some fancy. Y'all been on some fancy. Listen, for my last 3 weeks, I don't know who I am.
You've been on some fancy shit.
I look in the mirror on some Drake shit. I'll be like, I don't know what's going on. I'll be looking at myself. I don't even know you anymore.
I don't know you.
But I'm gonna be on some fancy shit for like the rest of the summer.
Yo, yeah, you got to.
No, I went. Shout out to CC and Gene. We went out drinking yesterday at Double Down Saloon. Over on Avenue A.
Yo, can I rock, man? Can I be drunk and rich? I know I got kids and shit. Gene, stop inviting me to shit. I know.
Why are you doing this on the podcast? This is like a phone call.
Yeah, I know.
Like, stop.
But I love it. Shout out to Gene.
Out there. We went to Double Down Saloon, and it's happy hour, and they have like terrible drinks and shit. Yeah. And I was like, no, I bought a Stella full price.
Okay.
And CC was like, who are you?
Who are you, dog?
Who are you? Like,
why? You didn't even ask? You just say, yo, let me get it?
No, I was just like, I didn't have to. The guy was like, it's not happy hour. And I was like, no, I don't give a fuck.
I don't care.
I was like, full price.
Yeah, it's good.
And the glow up has been so real because as CC posted, like she pointed out, a couple years ago, my main source of food was Stanton Social on Monday nights.
Yo, that's real. Yo, son. Yo, shout out to Stanton Social on Monday nights.
Because they would want a couple of thug niggas to come in there because they have models and shit. And they have like tapas.
Yes.
And champagne.
Wow.
So you have your little thug table and you go in there and you've been starving all day and it's you and the FIT students and you eat pizza and potato skins.
I got my fist on my heart right now. Yo, shout out to CC.
That was like, oh, man.
Shout out to CC, yo. A Black Girl Mob OG. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
All day, you know what I'm saying? Yo, show mad love since the beginning. She was like, yo, because when I was trying to like pop off and like host parties and shit, she's like, yo, come to Stanton Social on Monday. Like, niggas can't pay you, but you get tapas and like a bottle.
That's all you needed.
Yo, fuck it.
Listen, shout out to everyone in New York. So everyone who lives in New York City, you're living that grime life dream.
Open bar life.
Open bar. You're going from open bar to open bar. You're getting your little meals where you can get them. You're stealing granola bars from Crafty. Yo. You don't eat regular meals.
You know what I mean?
You eat hot dogs while you're running to the train. You're
New
going
York City's so ill.
You're going to focus groups.
That's right.
Oh shit! Focus groups.
Yo, shout out to Paul. You know what I'm saying?
Focus group hustle.
You know what I mean? Shout out to Paul. Go to the focus groups. The focus group plug.
Yo, you get $200 cash
straight up. You walk out that shit, you Snapchat that shit. Nigga like, yo, skirt. Nigga, you supposed to put Uber everywhere.
Man, we had a good run. Go to down the hatch.
Yo,
stealing drinks.
Tell you, man.
Listen, the New York life is
New York City is the only place you could be wild broke and be popping.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, some of your favorite New York people on Twitter are wild broke, and no shade to them.
No shade.
Now, shout out to my old coworker.
That's a talent, nigga.
As my old coworker Keisha would say, no tea, no shade.
No tea, no shade.
Nah, like you could live in New York and be mad broke.
And be G'ing off.
I was doing that shit
all day.
All day.
What?
All the Instagram photos.
Niggas
at all the fader parties.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Early.
You
know what I'm saying? Yo, it's crazy because
Metro car had negative $13 on it.
Negatory. Waiting for there to be a buildup of a crowd around people so I can hop the shit.
When the shit, I swiped the shit, niggas, like not even the fucking, like the fucking feds come and get me.
Come on, nigga. I'm cooling by the emergency exit, waiting for somebody to come out and then splinter cell my way into that shit.
Listen, shout out to anyone who ever had to hop a turnstile on the way to a job interview.
That's right.
That's how real life gets
If you ever had to throw your tie over your shoulder to hop a turnstile, I salute you.
That's
you
real.
know what I'm saying?
Salute.
Gang.
Salute.
Go get your money.
Oh man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, whack ass Bow Wow. It's on the
Actually, I'll have you know. His name is Shad
Nah,
Moss.
nigga, you Bow Wow. You Bow Wow forever, nigga.
Yo, you know what's crazy? I heard the Snoop first album the other day, and I forgot that he was the little kid that was like, I want to be a motherfucking gangster.
Yeah.
Little, you know what I'm saying? Little Victor fact, since Victor's hair is half an inch long this week.
You know Victor. What's Victor? Victor taking a bum nap down there?
You know what I'm saying? Niggas out here. He got the Warby Parker frames. Niggas not playing.
Victor taking phone calls. You know what?
Niggas learning Greek out there, dog.
Sure, no.
Niggas ready. Yo, Victor's ready. Yo, you crazy? Yo, Victor right now is the head of the snake, B. You know what I'm saying?
Victor went from the facts guy. Victor right here now.
Yo, you niggas
was out in DC.
That's like Brian Castro right there, dog.
Right there, man.
Wheeling and dealing. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to DC as always.
You know what I mean?
Shout out. Yo, they just had
from Bourbon Ball.
Big Corn.
You know what I mean?
Bicorn. That's the homie. That's the homie. They had the tequila and sundresses shit.
Okay.
Which I'm tight, because you know I would have been up in that bitch.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Young day party already.
Young day party.
You know what I'm saying?
All day. You know what? I don't check my schedule probably.
Nah.
Like I don't.
Do you know me?
I don't.
How do you schedule your shit? Because I know your phone is a wild Illuminati device and be learning your moves and pre-schedule shit for you. And when you told me that shit, I was actually nervous. I think we talked about that like episode 2. How do you actually schedule all this shit? Because you go to every fucking party on earth. How do you keep track of these things?
I'm glad you asked. I have a.
This is not an ad.
I have a living document in Google Keep.
Okay.
And it's linked to my Google Calendar.
Shout out to us for doing ads, but we're not doing ads.
We're not doing ads. We don't do ads. People don't want ads. We're doing the old 1950s style where like
talking about
a fucking cigarette company would sponsor the whole hour.
Yeah.
That's the shit we're doing.
Yeah.
Know what I mean? Like we just want one sponsor. The sponsor is who? Oh, Red Bull.
Red Bull. I can see me on your fool. Niggas don't know what time it is. Bodega Boys get the biz.
220 West 18th Street, come through.
You know what I'm saying?
Circle the block 3 times and then nod in front in homage.
And we'll stick our hand through a little peephole.
And we'll look through it and we'll say, you're
blessed. Blessed. You may enter.
Yo, what if like future generations, like the world collapses and all they have left is Bodega Boys podcast, and for some reason
they'll be lucky.
220 West 18th Street becomes like some religious shrine.
Yo,
and there's like a religion out there, like the Bodegians. And there's just like a mass, and they just do like the crusades and just start killing everyone.
Yo, that'd be lit. Also, Game of Thrones shit. Niggas got the banner and shit, just attacking other cities.
For the Hive! For the Hive! They start yelling shit like the Gears of War enemies and shit. Do it for the Hive.
Yo, all Bodega Hive young aspirationals.
We're not saying that you should pick up your guns and create a Bodega Hive caliphate.
No. I'm saying just throw some spec scripts, dog. That's what I'm talking. Don't murder anybody.
We're doing different things.
Oh yeah. No, don't kill anybody.
All right, Mero wants you to write a script. I want you to rise up your weapons, and I want you to take over the world.
Write the script first, though. You know what I'm saying? Before you kill yourself. Before you get murked by NYPD.
Fuck that. No. All ISIS is one day some guy was like, yo,
fuck this shit.
I got 2 jumpsuits. That's it. That's how ISIS started.
That's it.
So all
I got 2 jumpsuits. I got 2 Nike Cortez. They fit you, my nigga? Let's get it.
I got 2 phones, one for Islam and one for the dome. Allegedly. But we are going to start a caliphate. The Bodega Hive.
That's right.
Yo, let's make t-shirts.
Are we going too far now? We're far too close to the sun?
We're out there.
Agent Johnson is these niggas is wild. Whoa.
Shout out to Agent Johnson who asked me on Twitter if I'll rock a pair of ISIS designed
nice try.
Yeah, you're not even trying, man.
Not low.
You
looking like Mark Teixeira waiting for me to jump the turnstile. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is that a 2009 Yankee hat?
Yeah.
Real subtle, bro.
Yeah.
Real.
Oh, you went wingtips with a Yankee jersey? Oh, okay.
Okay. Are those cuffs I see underneath underneath your fucking camo shorts? Yeah. All right.
They always, check the neck, B.
Just the neck.
That's it. Check the neck. They always got the little chain that connects the badge. They love to flip out dramatically when they see you have the train.
After they tackle you and they don't tell you they're cops.
Dog, and then they call it a TOS. You know what I'm saying? To make it sound official. Like, nigga, call it hop in the train. So when you bring me down to the precinct, you're fucking your captain or whoever can look at you like a jerk. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, at this point, if you are getting arrested for hopping a turnstile, you deserve it. Because
that's true.
If you lived in New York City for more than 3 years, you should know what an undercover cop looks like.
Absolutely.
Off the rip. Especially if you're black. If you're black, especially black and brown, excuse me.
Yeah.
If you're one of my pocs.
That's right.
My poc. My people of color. You know what I'm saying?
Is that the poc noise?
Yeah.
Followed by
spread those cheeks apart.
That's right, man.
Yeah.
Damn, that was too sexy.
That was too.
Damn, these perks are hitting, boy.
Are you?
Woo.
Mero out here flying.
Damn.
Yo, Mero. Listen,
Nigga, you know when the plane does the second ascent? Damn. Whoa.
Let me tell you something. I know this is a hot take. These is fuegos in the building.
Yeah.
All right. Remember
Talk to him.
World War One.
Yes.
That generation, they stormed the beaches in Normandy. How brave they were.
Very brave.
You coming here to do this podcast with your back fucked up?
Oh man,
you're braver.
Bravery.
You're braver,
dog.
You make everyone that was in Saving Private Ryan look like a pussy,
like a wild pussy. When I got off that fucking bus and I walked from 23rd and 5th,
I saw
to 220 West 18th Street, dog.
I saw a homeless person. He got up and he went,
"Yo, slow clap."
All the bums were just applauding him.
Yeah, is bum problematic?
Is bum problematic?
I don't know.
It's an
like
acronym
I said,
though.
Okay,
it's an acronym. Beneath, under Moses.
Okay.
Because they're no longer in. I just made that up.
Okay, yo, respect. I thought he was about to get on the box, put the Israelite heavyweight belt, and start talking about like how the Jews are evil.
Bum is problematic, but if you're a bum, you already have other problems.
Yeah, you don't care.
Also, no one's gonna advocate for, like, if I say bum and you come to me like, yo, you can't use that word, I'm like, excuse me, sir,
are you a bum?
You have feces on your pants.
Yeah,
so
you have to be
not having this conversation.
You got to be a bum to be able to advocate for bums, and bums ain't really.
No, there's a bum advocating for bums right now, but he's talking into a pigeon. So
he's about to catch and fry
and eat.
You know what I'm saying?
He's gonna bite the head off like Rudy Giuliani. Speaking of Rudy Giuliani, that fuckface with his racist ass teeth,
racist ass two-tone teeth.
Oh,
they got a two-tone do-rag of teeth.
He wants to tag Muslims.
Oh,
yeah.
Tag Muslims? He
wants Muslims coming into the country who are on the no-fly list. He said they should be tagged and watched.
Wow.
Listen, he got some hot takes.
How are we going to do this, Rudy Rudolph?
You're going to use the, I guess, the TSA list or something?
What? TSA? Go get to this TSA list from Jasenia right now.
Go tell Keisha to tag the...
Fuck out of here. Yo, Keisha, you hear this nigga? They got the list.
TSA gonna throw bacon at people like, yo, he ain't catch it?
Oh, that's it. This nigga's Muslim.
Secondary screening.
This nigga's Islami.
He Muslim.
He's Salami.
He Muslim.
That's it.
He Muslim like Charlemagne
say. Ahí, papi. That's it. But mommy, can you please take off that thing off your head? I'm sorry. No disrespect.
No disrespect. I like
it's ODQ. It's ODQ. I like it.
I like a little moon on the stars and shit. That shit is cool. That shit is cool. I had that on my nails once. Yeah. But like, I need you to take off that beekeeper.
I'm gonna get a tattoo. That's crazy. What that means?
What that means?
If I got a tattoo, that's OD. Like,
is that niggas, like a gang?
That's like niggas. I'm gonna think I'm ISIS.
Cause my baby father Diggy, he on the island. He be home.
He be home soon, but he's on Monday all day.
But I wanna I wanna change the stars to his name.
That's right. What happened to the Latin Kings? We haven't seen Latin Kings banging. Is that extinct?
They're there.
I see old niggas banging.
Latin Kings have become like. Remember Zulu Nation was like scary.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And that the recent KRS
and it's scary. Now they're real scary.
But like I haven't seen a Latin King. They're still on the island and shit. But listen, when Sherm the Worm and them, and with the 5-Star Nation came over,
damn,
shit changed up.
You know what I mean?
You don't see it. I'm banging in the streets no more. Nieta.
That's real. Yo, because Dominicans came into...
the last time I heard Neta was like Taxo mentioned to be in the shower with them niggas. Shout out to Taxo. We got to do that. We got to do that second episode. Yeah. We got to do that second episode of Ill Magnet.
Yeah.
We was out there drunk.
The sequel.
Gonna bring it back.
Yeah, it was written. Illmatic came. Now we gotta get Hitch on because it was written.
It was written.
Who some people try to sleep on and pretend like it wasn't fucking Nas basically doing The Godfather in rap form.
It was.
You know what I'm saying?
He did the fucking casino video over.
He did.
Like,
come on.
Verbatim, by Hype Williams. Shit was lit.
Shit was super lit.
Shit was lit.
Shout out to Hype Williams, man.
Yeah.
Damn, niggas had such ill visuals back in the day. Shout out to Vashti, who's also a purveyor of ill visuals.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? Damn.
I got some ideas for Vashti.
Shout out to Show Me. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Like production ideas, not
yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, no, that came out mad. I'm on my second back. Yeah. We're keeping it professional.
Let me tell you something about Desus. When this nigga's drinking a Bex,
chop to him.
You know what I'm saying? He's not out here doing that little baby shit that y'all niggas do where you get your little 6-pack and you put it on ice for 12 hours and the shit got to be very chilled and it's a 12-ounce. He's in here drinking warm big boys. Pause. You know what I'm saying? 24 ounces
out here.
You know what I'm saying?
The
straight German beer.
All right.
Drink beer, it's the German ones.
When I buy these at the bodega, like old Jamaican men be like, "You're going with the hard stuff."
Man.
I'm like, I got issues, dog.
Yeah, me too, man.
I got issues, but luckily my issues are hilarious.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We're in that beautiful place. God, rest in peace, Patrice O'Neal and Greg Giraldo.
Yo, all right.
I feel like they were out there. Greg Giraldo from the Bronx.
Yo, BX all day.
We are
very slept on comedian, by the way. Shout out to you for keeping his name alive because a lot of people don't.
I never would be in this comedy shit, but the way he fucking flame niggas on those Comedy Central roasts, the way he hurt people's feelings, I was like, I want to do that.
That's right.
I want to make people cry. If you want me to flame you at your birthday party,
that's right.
Call me. And I'll be like, yo.
Cut the check, boy.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
You're the kid your mother didn't even want.
Fucking Herb.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
yo,
shit.
Craig Giraldo roasting Flavor Flav is one of the high-powered roast. Like, that's what roasting was made for. You know what I'm saying? He went in. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. Fellow Latino. You know what I'm saying? Gang. BX all day.
You know, he had a law degree.
I did not know that. Where'd he go? Fordham Law?
I think so.
Bronx niggas, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Fordham.
My favorite line was when on the Pamela Anderson roast, he said, I wouldn't fuck you with B. Arthur's dick.
Yo!
I was like, yo. He had B. Arthur laughing. Yeah, she was right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's comedy. That's when I was like, yo, I could fuck with this comedy shit. Because, you know.
Yeah, I was reading Time Magazine because I'm washed while I was taking a shit. And they had a little piece in the back that was
from
like.
your Colombia? Colombia?
Hey, Parce! Is that what
Greg Giraldo, Colombia.
Parce?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Parce is like my nigga in
He's
Colombia.
from Colombia and he went to Columbia University.
Hey!
So, keep the real.
He's like, well, I'm a Colombian, so.
Might as well.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? How did he die? How did he pass?
OD.
Ah, damn.
Real nigga.
Damn.
Real nigga way to go out, though. Shout out to Yams.
Ill nigga alert.
Shout out to Yams.
Damn, shout out to Yams. Yo, I posted a fucking screen cap of Ferg Shabba Ranks. And I was like, yo, this is such an ill song because the beat drops and it sounds crazy. Like if you listen headphones, stereo, whatever you're listening to, it sounds bananas. So like I was thinking about that, and then I was thinking about like, yo, I heard this song performed live at South by, and Yams was on stage. Yams got a bottle of Henny, going straight to the face, and I was just like, damn, dog, and I got sad for a second.
Yeah, everyone got it. Like if you were around New York, you have a good Yam story. Yeah. His story is sad, but you know, master your high.
You know what I mean? Master your high. You know what I mean?
He's one of those people that like he was here long enough that
he made a wild impact.
He made impact.
Yeah.
So you know, like there's a lot of y'all gonna live to be like 80 and will
not even have no type of legacy shit. Or nothing.
So
there.
you know, you can't be sad for him.
Yeah.
I mean, you're sad that he's still not here.
Yeah.
Because there's like better adventures and
of course,
bigger levels.
Yeah.
You always want to have your boys here.
It's like yo, when Pun died. And reggaeton blew up like 2 years later, and I was like, "Damn, imagine Pun here for the reggaeton wave." Yeah. Shout out to my nigga Sarah, we used to always have that high conversation. Like, "Damn, Pun on a reggaeton beat."
Wow,
you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
But did Pun die because he got healthy, or did he die because he just died?
I think.
I always feel like when he was I'm trying to live.
Yeah.
Like his body was like he was eating fruit and his body was like, nah.
Nah, you're wild. It was like too little too late, I think. Yeah. That's what it was.
Yeah, and then remember in the source where he had like the Rico Suave picture of him before the lawsuit?
Yo. Heart attack.
Oh, he died from a heart attack?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what it was.
Victor with the sad facts.
Yeah, damn sad facts. Because I remember seeing the documentary and his wife came and was like, yo, when that happened, I seen him and like you could see his heart like through his chest, like it was like really erratic. Wow. I was like, damn, that's mad sad. I don't want to go out like that, dog.
Damn.
My nigga Brian just passed, but he passed in his sleep. Yo, RIP my nigga Brian, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah,
Gang,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
How old was he?
46. You know what I'm saying?
Great.
So he was like the old head to me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But like nigga had mad stories. Like he was 17 and he went across country with his girl, and who happens to be my sister-in-law, and the cops got called on them, and it was like the whole cross country chase. It was all crazy. It was in the news. Look it up. You know what I'm saying? But RP my nigga Brian, you know what I'm saying?
See, I hear that age and I'm like, damn, that's early. That's young.
Fife died at 45. That's young, B. Yo, it's 2016. Victor keeps talking about this head transplant shit.
Yeah.
Medical advancements are happening at an alarming rate.
I mean, is that young though for us?
I mean, not for us as Bronx residents.
Right, because I feel like we listen. Blade Runner, we passed our shit already.
Yeah. We're past expiration.
Like niggas is like, yo, y'all had a good run, but y'all got to give it up at this point. Like we are like, I'm like the Morgan Freeman of the Bronx.
Early.
I've just been around for fucking ever.
Niggas God.
Yo, like I make references and people are like, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah, like, where's that from? You're like, yo, 1998, bro.
It's like and they're like, what?
What? Like it was a prehistoric era. Y'all are wild. Yo, shout out to my young bunners out there.
You know what I'm
saying? At
saying?
the Travis Scott shows, moshing.
But you're lucky because I'm still here because I got all these old watch references.
That's right.
Like yesterday I made a tweet about Bill O'Reilly and I was like, all his information he got from the secret diary of Desmond Pfeiffer.
Right.
Everyone was like, what the fuck is that?
Fuck is that?
The Secret Diary of Desmond Pfeiffer. Now, there was a channel called UPN, also known as You People Network.
You People Network,
And it was a sitcom that didn't even get a chance to air.
Didn't air.
Because it was a comedy based on slavery. It was the whimsical riffs of a slave. But see, the slave was smarter than everyone else. He was like Abe Lincoln's slave.
Right.
So he was like a catty slave.
Right. He be knowing shit.
He be knowing shit. And somebody was like, yo, this shit is a good idea. UPN was like, we're going to run it. And before it even launched, the NAACP was like, yo, my nigga.
Are y'all serious?
Are y'all serious, my nigga? That was the email.
Niggas came out with the roast hand like,
they was like, boy, if you don't. Like, NAACP was like, yo, we don't even have Google alerts yet.
Yeah.
But I got a Google alert about this shit because that's how problematic this shit was.
Nah. All they did was send them the letterhead of the organization.
There was
with
like,
the
yo,
CP crossed out.
They were like, yo, nah,
you're not doing this.
You're not doing that shit.
No way, dog.
Oh, man.
That shit was wild. Yeah, but we were talking about this shit yesterday. That's when TV was actually letting black people on and cook, you know what I'm saying, and show people. I was telling people that, yo, Wayne's Brothers is an ill sitcom for what it was, and people always like, yo, that's a stupid show, it was dumb and blah blah blah, but it was so ill because it showed me, or it really drove, now at the age that I am now and having kids, it drives home the importance of representation. You know what I'm saying? Because I seen them niggas on that show. I seen them was wearing the same shit I was wearing. They look like me. They was saying the same slang. You know what I'm saying? I was like, this shit is ill.
All right.
So that's why y'all got to cut us a check so all the niggas in the hood can see us on TV cooking and inspire the youth.
Thank you, Mero H. Perry, with your MSNBC
you know
show.
What I'm saying?
With your natural hair.
That's
You're
right.
out here.
I'm on my journey.
You're on your journey?
Thank you, my brother.
Talking?
Thank you, my king. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my journey of self-discovery.
Up next, we have Joy Reid and Oprah, and we'll be talking about what books they're reading
you know what
this summer.
It's always the light-skinned niggas that go the hardest, boy. You know what I'm saying?
It is.
It is.
You Sean kick-ass nigga. You going hard for the boys. Shout out to him.
Shout out to Jesse Williams. Jesse Williams. Let me tell you why Jesse Williams is wild important to the movement, my nigga, because my wife has no exposure. Like, she's been in the Bronx for many years. She knows the plight, you know what I mean? She's been in the mix or whatever, but she understands her position as a white woman in the world. You know what I'm saying? And acknowledges it. And more so because Jesse Williams is on fucking Grey's Anatomy and she watches that shit every fucking week.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? And that shit really drives the point home. Shout out to you for using your platform.
Shout out to woke white women.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? They're in a bad place.
Yeah, you're in a bad spot.
Because it's like, yo,
shout out to you for playing position.
You feel us with the cause and shit, but you're still the enemy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? To other people.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Not to me.
I mean, not to me. I love you. You know what I'm saying?
If you listen to other, I'm not going to name other names, other podcasters. Right. Crystal. But stretching my name out of these streets.
Yo, they fixed your Wikipedia page.
They did.
They fixed it.
They fixed it, but they keep vandalizing that shit.
Yo, I was dying because somebody because what's her name? Lenore Brazil? Is that her name?
Who? That has to be banned?
The DNC chair or whatever?
Donna Brazil has to be banned. She's had me banned for 5 years now.
Got you blocked. So I'm like, yo, why? Like, it's like, why is this happening? And then I was like, oh, nigga, I ran to Wikipedia so fast, though, screen cap the Desus hates black women shit and just throw it up there, like, and just switch that free tweet.
Oh, my God.
But niggas fixed it.
They fixed it because I don't hate black women.
Okay.
So stop it. Donna Brazil, I think
Desus does not hate black women. He just, you know what I'm saying, he won't hold the door for you, if you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean, but he doesn't hate you. He just wants you to do things on your own, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you, Mero.
And learn.
Next episode, we'll discuss why Mero doesn't have any Dominican kids with a Dominican lady. But I feel like Donna Brazil blocked me because I made like...
My mom just heard you, was like... Girl. She did the March Simpson.
Tell me when to go. No, I feel like Donna. I think I'm.
Why'd you block him?
I've been trying to pinpoint it for like 3 days.
Right.
I feel like I made a sarcastic "Thanks Obama" tweet a couple years ago, and she misinterpreted it.
Okay.
So she blocked me.
That's classic Desus.
That's classic Desus. Yeah. That's so Desus. That's like from when I was a star on the Disney Channel from my famous show. That's so Desus. That came on after C-Bear and Jamal.
Yo, C-Bear and Jamal. Yo, shout out to Charles for bringing that shit back into a nigga's fucking
Charles.
mental plane. Damn, C-Bear and Jamal. They were really letting niggas cook back in the day. And now it's like...
They're like, yo, you got Empire. That's good enough.
That's good enough.
They were like, yo, take all the writing you put and put it into Empire. They're like, I want to do a show about a basketball team. I want a show about a record label. I want a show about prison. Put them all together. It's Empire.
Cookie. Jamal's gay and he's drafted into the WNBA. He's the first transgender rapper to be drafted and go to the supermarket and use the bathroom according to his gender. I'm like, what are you niggas? Who's
do you still watch
shit?
Empire?
I fucking waded through the last season. Wading meaning like in water.
Yeah.
And I was just like, this shit is. It turned from kind of soap opera-y where it was like kind of tongue in cheek to like way OD soap opera-y. And it's like, bruh, Jamal got shot at the fucking like the Grammys essentially. I was like, bro, no. I was like, this is not. Come on, B. This is Dallas with black people.
Let me tell you something. There's not much I'm proud of in my life.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, for like the podcast,
you know
yeah. Just my career trajectory.
You know what I mean, your big secret family, Mr. Saga.
Shout out to them. Shout out to them. That Party Next Door album dropping soon.
So fire.
Gonna be good. Yeah, because listen, there's only 2 people who made it out of Mississauga. Party Next Door and me. So let's talk about that. But yes, what I'm very proud of is the fact that
they just put you on a purple dollar loony out there or some shit.
By the Twin Towers out there. But from day one, I have been I've stood there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I've died on that hill.
Right.
Just to let you little darkies know, Empire is terrible.
I
terrible. It's just a bad show.
I salute you.
You can go back to any episode of this podcast, and I've told you from the rip.
Yeah.
Empire is the Paul Pierce of television.
You know what? How I started watching? It stinks.
P.U.
Yo, fucking. But listen, I'm not trying to like backpedal or nothing like that because the first season.
No, you know what?
Had
You
my
guys
attention.
get it because the shit was popping for the first season.
Yeah, it was.
Like everyone was buying it.
And it was everybody that's married knows this.
Right.
When you watch TV with your spouse, you don't always have the same taste in what you're gonna watch. So that means a lot of time you end up watching something that neither of you really likes.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That happened with Empire. I was like, I might fuck with this, I might not. You know what I'm saying? She was like, I might fuck with this, I might not. We ended up watching it, and first season was fire. Second season, it's a little weak. You know what I'm saying? Very weak.
I mean,
to be TBH. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what season 3 holds. I'll watch the first episode of season 3. If it doesn't blow my socks off, I'm out.
Sometimes things that we enjoy,
you know what I'm saying,
disappoint us.
That's right. That's right.
Por ejemplo, as you people
speak
say.
on it, Tim K.
One Richard Sherman.
Oh, that's right. He did it.
He's joining our new segment, Dead to Us.
Yeah.
He doubled down on the All Lives Matter thing.
Yep.
But I get it. He's getting Campbell soup money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But I always respect him for having that white lady fucking shook.
But that's his friend. That was his friend.
Oh, it was?
That's his friend.
Well, he was shook. She was nervous.
White women get scared pretty fast.
That's true, yeah.
Like, have you never been, well, probably because you're married to one.
Yeah.
Well, when you're walking behind a white woman, is a very nerve-wracking experience because they are very jittery.
Right.
So you have to do little things like maybe cough.
Right. Yeah.
Maybe take out your keys so they hear that. You have to make them aware that you're behind them.
This is what you do.
The worst feeling is like when they don't see you and they do that jump back because they will scream.
That's
and
right.
listen.
And you might end up dead, fam.
You're not trying to get your Emmett Till on. You know what I mean?
It could be a fatal occurrence for you.
Right.
This is what you got to do every time. Everybody got their phone on them. Everybody got headphones with them at all times. What you do is you take your phone, you open it, you open whatever music app you use, you put on Best of Dave Matthews Band, mad loud,
right?
And as you're walking past her, you lower your headphones so that she hears it.
And she turns and she goes, DMB?
DMB?
And you're like,
exactly.
DMB,
That's
bro.
And then she'll equate you with the black dude that plays the violin in the band, and then you're safe.
You're safe.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
But it's sad that we got to do all of that in 2016 as a black man.
You know
what I'm saying?
It's all right, though. DMB is going to unite the nation.
It is.
We are. Youth of the nation. Shout out to POD.
That shit?
POD. Damn.
Niggas don't even know.
That's back in my goth period. Nah, I didn't have a goth period.
That's the Dark Jesus period?
The Dark Jesus. I put on mad mascara and a trench coat and go to school just like with my Doc Martens just stomp in the corner like, I hate everybody.
Just swiping your bangs out of your face and shit like,
yeah. What's the point of life?
Life sucks.
Life sucks.
Can't listen to Dashboard Confessional.
Ma, you fucking bitch, you bought the wrong pizza rolls. And my mother's like, who you call a bitch?
Who you call a bitch, huh?
Is that my trench coat? Is that my mascara?
It's July, you mad?
Call my father. Look, he has a mascara. And my father's like,
Bumbleclad sodomite.
I was like, no, it's an emo thing. It's a prank. Chill. Yo,
shout out to my man that put his dick on Shorty and then tried to act like it was a prank.
I was gonna retweet
Fucking
that.
asshole.
I saw it and everyone was like, "Yo, this." Okay, so backstory: this guy was arrested. He was grabbing white women. He put his dick on them, and when he was arrested, he told the cops, oh, "It's a prank. Show it's a prank."
Right.
The problem is, this young man is from Jamaica. I don't need this tainting the island I'm about to take over.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? We're trying to clean up the image. You know, apparently the One Love commercials are not One Love, One Heart.
Come on,
you know?
see, they gotta send him to like a shock camp.
Yeah,
remember the shock camp?
Yeah,
where they would curve you and instead of sending you to Rikers, send you to shock camp. Yo, with this shit.
You said remember the shock camp? Nigga, you mean my house? The house I grew up in.
They gotta send him to shock camp, which for him would be working at a Sandals in like Montego Bay for the summer.
No, Sandals are the worst because Sandals have like the new beaches and people who
Sandals got a new beach.
Yeah, you ain't know.
I thought that was like the family shit.
Nah, Sandals got the what? Sandals Jamaica.
Chill, yo, because nudist is never what you.
Listen, we're not body shaming.
We're not body shaming at all.
We're not body shaming
at all. But
no, excuse me, pardon.
No.
It's clothing optional.
Clothing
it's
optional.
not a nude beach.
Okay.
But we're not body shaming. If you feel comfortable,
yo, do you
know,
thing.
we did the whole choach challenge last week. My inbox is pretty dry.
Super dry.
Haven't seen any choaches.
You know
what I'm saying? I thought you guys I thought you guys weren't down with the cause.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You down to free the nipple, but not free the labia?
You know what I'm saying? I asked to see the choach and nobody sends me anything. You know what I'm saying? And that's all right.
So you said it 2 episodes in a row, which means that in about 26 hours, your inbox is gonna look like fucking Dr. Zismo, top gynecologist.
No, because I'm gonna actually just hop in DMs like, yo, this is a choach challenge. Please send me something.
Call DM it with the mad like sent to all shit. Like,
you know how people like call how they robocall for Hillary? Yeah. Or I'm robocalling for Chillery.
Chillery.
I'm out here chilling with your choach.
Zero chill.
Hey, zero chill.
Shout out to Bernard King. I'm such a fucking Knicks stan. I said Bernard King instead of Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders' brother doing the roll call shit and being like, I cast my vote for Bernard Sanders. I was like, yo, is your brother fucking Paul Bearer, my nigga? Yo, the dude sounded exactly like fucking Paul Bearer,
Shout out to Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders right now is just chilling off of losing.
Guess who's doing the intro next week?
Bernie Sanders came in second place. Yeah, he's just like, well, this is good enough.
Fuck it.
He's out here riding.
He just combed his comb over and kept it moving.
Yo, they really like dead Hillary. Like Hillary is the first female nominee for president, and they didn't put her on the cover of shit. No, she ain't get her done right.
It's the Bill Clinton. It's the Clinton name.
Clinton
she should have switched. What was her original? What's her maiden name?
Doesn't matter.
Is that a problematic term?
Rodham.
Hillary Rodham Clinton. Oh, I thought it was why did I think Rodham was a middle name?
You thought it was a gang name?
I thought it was like some wild fucking
gang Rodham gang.
Nigga, you know what I'm saying? Rodham Street.
Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton.
Okay, if she would have, I have a feeling that she would have ran as Hillary Rodham. She could have fooled a lot of dumb voters.
Okay, that's not how it works.
You know what I'm saying? A lot of Americans are dumb.
Not for nothing.
Credit.
Can I be problematic for a second?
Let's hear it.
Hillary had the cheeks when she was younger.
She did.
She had
the cheeks.
All due respect to the future next president.
Yeah.
But she had white girl cheeks.
Yeah, she did.
You know,
she had like the wild Arkansas like country, like I work on a farm and be picking up hails of bay.
You know what I'm saying? Give me the extra Popeyes biscuit cheeks.
Bales of hay. I'm over here with dyslexia because I'm so smacked. Yo.
That is not to take away from her accomplishments.
No, not at all.
Because you're going to be a very accomplished woman and have
the wild yams. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Some of the best people in my life have great yams. You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
You know
what I'm saying?
That was a sub.
You know what I mean?
That was a sub you asked for.
Catch that, man.
So there you go.
Odell Beckham,
That's for you.
Go ahead.
But yes. There we go.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the women with big butts.
All my women that got the heavy butts,
you know
that when you walk you get tired because it feels like you got a midget on your back.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Salute you.
You can't get on the letter trains because those little seats are confining.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because you got the bubble bobble wild.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You be seeing shit and you be like, yo, that's cute. You could wear that. If I wear that shit, nigga, we're gonna do a BuzzFeed video.
There was something on Twitter. I don't know if you were on there for that. About women putting deodorant in their butt to stop sweating.
Oh,
in the summer.
Okay. All right.
I mean,
yo, does that work? Like, does that burn? Or I don't know. I never put deodorant in my cheeks.
Well, you know, you could some women put secret deodorant over after to not get razor bumps after they shave above their. I hope other women. My ex did that.
So put secret stops you from getting razor bumps.
Apparently, that's what she said.
Yo, Desus facts out here.
Desus facts.
You're pulling up.
You know, she could do that, but she couldn't get her fucking curly hair out the fucking shower drain.
Damn.
Taking it back to 2006.
Damn,
I'm still upset about this.
Damn.
No, but
air one grievance with an ex-girlfriend right now. One grievance from any ex. It could be the pettiest thing ever. It doesn't matter.
She loved me too much.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Shut that up for putting her fucking hair on the side of the shower, which is literally the most annoying thing in the world.
That is. I've lived through that. I've lived through that with an ex. And the thing is, because you tell them, you're like, yo.
That's
the first
gross.
time you're like, yo. The first time it's like, yo, your hair was in the shower.
Yeah.
The second time it's like, yo, my G,
yo,
yo, I got outside the shower, the drain was clogged. Like your hair, like next time, could use this, like
yo,
be
listen,
proactive.
I was trying to like, lather up, and I leaned on the wall, and now like my arm is covered in hair.
Yeah, it's gross.
Yo, why does it look like you're leaving me messages in Arabic on the wall, dog? You know what I'm saying? Why don't you chill?
What is this, Farsi? Third time it's like, yo, straight fucking facts, yo, are you, come here, look at this shit.
What the fuck is this, yo?
I gotta take a shower in this shit.
Damn, son,
my nigga.
Yo, I leave the toilet seat up. You be wildin'.
This is like the Middle Eastern board of Call of Duty. Come on, why you here on the fucking wall like that?
Look at this.
Look like Tutankhamun over here.
Come on, man.
Like, come on. Fourth time you just mash it on her face against it, like yo,
like it's
you like that feeling?
No. Yo, ever since I seen some dog training video and the dude was like, don't just say no to your dog, say no. He's like, because they imitates the mother's like scolding growl that they do. So I did that shit for like 2 months, and I was like, this is the stupidest shit. I'm like, Brownie, no. No. She's just looking at me like, nigga, I'm gonna pee in the house again now because you look like a fucking idiot.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying?
I tried to yell at Rocco the other day. He was like, nigga, I've been glamping at Ithaca. He was like, please don't talk to me like I'm Rocco from 5 years ago. I was
like, I got more pairs of shoes than you, nigga.
I was like, yo, you peed in the living room? He was like, First he mocked me in the high pitched voice, like, you're peeing in the living room? He was like,
the Cardi B meme, like,
he was like, yo, you got home late because you were recording a show. Who's Hollywood now? And I was like, damn, you got me. You got me. I was like, you want to go on the walk? He was like, my walk is at 6. If you're walking me at 10 o'clock, that's not a walk.
He's got the most high. He's like, whoever Paris Hilton dog is, fuck that motherfucker.
Nah, he's the most thug. He's the most thug.
High sedity dog. He's like a ditty dog.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
Nah, he gave the other, like, you know how dogs like beg for treats and shit. Yeah. Like he's too proud to.
They don't even eat milk bones. He's like milk bones.
He's like mad, like passive aggressive and shit. He's like, he'll come through and stretch it. He'll go to like the cat. He'll be like, yo, I remember I used to get milk bones.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Remember that?
Yeah. But two people on TV now don't got time for pets.
You get treats for your cat?
Huh?
You get treats for your cat?
Temptations to the cat. If you shake the bag, they come running.
Mad fast.
Shout out to everyone. If you are in Petco or you're in Target, go to the pet aisle. If you're smacked, go look at the decorations on the Temptations container. Whoever does the drawings on it is mad fucking high.
What?
So whatever the flavor is, whatever the cat is doing on the bag is like some wild, only a high nigga shit.
So it's like correlates with the flavor.
Yes.
So if it's like tuna flavor,
if it's like tuna fish, he's either fishing or it's like the cat is like deep throating like a tuna fish. Like this shit is mad wild. Like there's one I think it was like steak flavor as like a cow, and like there's like a cat on a fence with the fork and a knife like about to eat the nigga. I was like, yo, I'm buying this flavor right now off the rip.
Yo, that's how Target gets you, bro. Target was made for high niggas. That's how they trap me.
Target, the zigzagging, the aisles, the red shit,
the confusing aisle numbers, A37.
They just put shit in aisles that don't belong in. I was in Target and I had an existential crisis because I couldn't figure out if coconut oil was in a lotion aisle or a food aisle.
Damn.
And guess what? Malik was not helpful.
Not at all.
He was like, first off, you turn on your Wi-Fi. Then you go on Google and you Google that shit, my nigga. Yeah, I'm not, it's not in my fucking section. I'm on my break.
First of all, your name is Malik. I don't understand why your name tag says it's lit. And it's upside down.
The guy's gamer tag.
Yeah. should say at Flyboy69 Flybridge. Like, what the fuck? Why you got your Twitter bio on your name tag?
I don't even work here. I'm just here because there's a Pokemon gym nearby.
He's like, yo, my nigga, honestly, I don't know where the treats is at, but yo, my SoundCloud link is right.
Yo, it's lit.
Shout out to Malik with his SoundCloud link.
Shout out to everyone that's running the gym and Pokemon. I don't listen.
You dropped it yesterday, right? You not even on it?
I don't play. You know what? I stopped playing Pokemon because it was making me happy, and I wasn't comfortable with being happy.
Okay. Damn.
Dark Desus bad. Six Sad World. No, I just wanted to collect shit, and then like my bag got full and all that. I was like, I got time for this shit because I had too much incense and shit. Because in the Bronx, you don't get any animals; you just get like mad items,
stuff.
So I have mad. I got like fucking. I got like. I feel like a child molester because I have all these little candies to give. Come here, little Pikachu. Yeah. Come here, you Rattata. Yo, matter of fact, fuck Cece, because she renamed the Rattata Desus. So fuck you. Yo, you think I would remember because I was drunk last night?
Yo, is Rattata the pre-version of Raticate? Is it? Yo,
what are you fucking virgins talking about?
Yo, honestly, bro, I don't know. But all I know is that I was like, yo, fuck it, I'm gonna do the Pokemon thing too. Why not? And I was walking down 44th, and it was like fucking. I thought Jeremy and Lynn was doing a TED Talk, dog, because it was like 8,000 Asian niggas out there, bro. Yeah. They was out there holding it down. I jumped in the mix with them. I was like, yo, what y'all doing out here? Catch a Pokemon. I saw Eradicate, right, and I caught him. But then the nigga kept getting out of the Pokeball. Right. I was like, I didn't know this. And I told the dude, and he looked at me like I was a straight asshole. He's like, yeah, they can escape. Yeah. He's like, you have to just keep trying to catch him. Yeah. I was like, damn. And then I missed the 7-Eleven bus, and Heather was like, what are we doing? I was like, catch a Pokemon. She's like, you're a fucking idiot.
Remember?
I was like, damn.
All the Pokeballs are institutional racism.
That's right.
And you get mad when the Pokemon escapes, but a Pokemon's just trying to live its best life.
It is.
That's it.
He don't want to be trapped by you.
Don't you understand? We have escaped from the Pokeball society as thrown on us.
That's right. We don't
right
want to
now,
live.
There's some white guy with racist teeth. Probably Rudy Giuliani.
That's right. Catching Pokemon all over the place.
He's throwing Pokeballs at us, and they're bouncing off because the brand's too strong.
The brand's too motherfucking strong.
The brand is too strong. All right, we're not going.
That's right. We're not living in servitude to you trainers.
You know what I'm saying? All right.
We got our own gym.
I got 2 boroughs. I've never been arrested in. I'm not trying to be all city.
No way.
Trying to keep it real.
I'll go all city with these feelings, nigga. Not with the fucking arrests. Thank you very much.
Trying to go out there. VMAs is coming up.
True.
You know what I'm saying? Listen, if you would like to see us at the VMAs, maybe on Twitter you hit up a channel that does the VMAs and be like, yo, give Desus and Mero GoPros and let them record some footage there.
Maybe you hit up Doug Herzog. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you just holler at him.
Gang, Doug Herzog, the homie.
You know what I mean?
Out there.
Shout out to my son Doug Herzog Jr., but they gonna have all day.
All day. Gang. Put Doug Herzog on the, I put him on my Instagram, and my credit score went up 200%.
Straight up. That's why...
Every time I put a white person on my Instagram, my credit score goes up.
200 points minimum.
Tim Gunn, and Andrea Day, her lawyer.
That's what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what gave me the. That's what emboldened me to make that move on this crib, dog. You know what I'm saying? Little known fact: if you put 2 white people on your Instagram in a row, that's better than having a 20% down payment on the house.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying? It's true.
A lot of people don't know that.
A lot of people do not know that, but we're full of facts out here. You know what I'm saying?
We're full of facts.
You know what I'm saying? Pause.
We're full of facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, dog. All we got is facts. Facts don't matter, though.
No,
Black lives matter.
They don't. No, they do.
Black lives matter.
Black lives do matter. Yo, speaking of Black Lives Mattering and like all Melissa Harris Perry shit, shout out to my girl Jasmine Guadalupe. You know what I'm saying? Esquire, lawyer, attorney at law, and the Close Rikers movement. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all.
Whoa. We did not discuss this.
Yeah.
My brother works at Rikers.
Close Rikers.
My brother-in-law works at Rikers. Yeah. He actually no, he's gonna retire soon. That's fine. Yeah, let's close Rikers.
Cool. Yeah, close
Rikers is not a good thing.
It's not.
The only problem is if we close Rikers, I cannot do my zombie
live from
movie. Oh, we can't do our live from.
Last thing ever at Rikers has to be a live from Rikers show.
Yes.
Ever.
And we're gonna shut that shit
That's
down.
right. And we're gonna shut it down. It's gonna be a riot. It's gonna be lit.
We're gonna be like
it's gonna be like
halfway through the show, I'm gonna be like, Liberty! And everyone could grab a shank and just kill a CO.
That's right, nigga. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be like Battle of the Bastards.
If you're a Bodega Hive fan, get arrested. And just show in Rikers Island for the next 2 years. I wait for this live show. We got you. It'll be worth the wait.
Promise.
Just if you see a cop right now on the subway platform, just duff him.
Jump him out.
Just duff him out. And when you get arrested for assault on an officer, be like, that's all right. As long as I get under 1.5 years. And tell your cellmate, yo, Desus and Mero coming.
Desus and Mero coming, dog.
Desus and Mero coming. While you sharpening that spoon.
Woo!
Desus and Mero coming.
Hey.
Gotta get my shank ready.
It's about to be lit, nigga. Oh, yo, put the wine up there now.
Right?
Start making that shit now.
Niggas just sharpening the shank, singing the theme song like da 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 da.
Yo,
if
that has been playing the fucking theme song acoustically and fucking because somebody did the theme song via like
we played it via the oboe. Yes, right. We played it earlier.
And shout out to my guy who just did it literally this morning. I think it was on acoustic guitar. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And he really Yakubian the fuck out of it and went mad guitar runs of like little fluttery.
We do we need a band for the we were talking with this with Sam the man, the engineer.
Wildlife Gang out here.
Gang.
Mix pack all day. You already know what it is.
Shout out to Sam.
That's right.
Sam killed the intro last
shout
week.
Shout out to Jubilee. Shout out to fucking Dre Skull. Everybody. Mix pack all day. You heard?
All right. Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa. We're going to the Sound Clash next year. I'm calling shit right now.
We're not going. We're hosting the shit.
I'm being the Wild Lambong right now. Shout out to my Dominicans. and Bodega Boys is in there next year. We lit.
We hosted it. We hosted so much Red Bull shit. The flute and tog.
You know what I'm saying?
All that. We're going to put Red Bull in our butts and run across the city.
I still have not given up on my obsession with doing the fucking Gumball 5000. Your boy, you know what I'm saying? The Human Do-Rag, Young Chipotle, and matching Maseratis.
That's right.
Blowing it down the Autobahn.
Brum, brum, brum.
You know what I'm saying? 300 KMH.
Do the J turn around Nori.
You know what I'm saying?
Run Combat Jack off the road.
We talked about this, but how lit would a wacky racist be?
It would be very lit.
Let's be real.
It would be very lit. Fucking Heaven and Trace on the sidecar for another round. Like,
you know what I mean? Tax on Troy Ave. Powder.
Oh, shit.
Be safe, though.
Be safe, though, beloved. Shaq still driving while drinking Kale.
Yo, get your juices ready. You know what I'm saying? Just out here. Be healthy. Bust your gun, drink your juice. You heard me?
Oh, man.
Be safe, though. Shout out to Tax. Waves are spinning. You know what I'm saying?
How's those oxys? You at Smack City yet?
Boy.
Smack City. Smack City.
Bro, I made that left into Smack City.
I'm turning Smack City into an actual Broadway play.
Fam. A
girl's gonna come out like, when you smack in the city. The dancers come out like, Smack City. Smack City. It was whack. He was smacked in the city. We got Stephanie Mills. Stephanie Mills.
Yo, I need Jennifer Hudson to come out of retirement. I don't know what you're doing, but you need to come to Smack City.
Listen, the Smack City.
You know what I'm saying?
Smack City. I
didn't even make the left into Smack City. I had the easy pass on.
You just went through?
And I just was there.
Smack City is the new Hamilton. We're saying that early. Yo, Ezra, you listen to this. Write some songs for this shit.
Yo, shout out to Ezra. I don't often say this. My guy is a musical. Yo, when we was down there, you know what I'm saying, at Vice, and my son just started playing that piano, fam.
Dog.
It was a beautiful thing.
Dog.
My son is an instrumental genius. I'm gonna have my kids learn.
He can play the piano. He can play Echo the Dolphin.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, come on.
Can you beat that? No, you can't.
Do I have low standards? Because that was all impressive.
I mean, that's very impressive to me.
That's cool.
Echo the Dolphin was very hard.
It's a boring game.
It was very boring, but very difficult.
He played it. He made it interesting.
Yeah?
I was drunk, though. As I also am. That's my usual thing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Smack City in a building.
Yo, we touched on everything.
Well, did we?
You know, we got through the whole run of show.
Wow. Niggas be doing. That's what I'm saying. Like, we niggas be there.
Yo, we just there. Let me just hop on Twitter one last time.
You know what I'm saying?
Really good. Bow Wow trending, Landon Collins. Oh, Arthur and DW. Yo!
Oh yeah, Arthur and DW are siblings, so all these weird memes that y'all doing of like, yo, you can take
Don't be a bad buzzkill. Like, come on, man.
Don't be a wet blanket, bro.
Let niggas cook. Let niggas cook.
Don't be a wet blanket, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. A-Rod's birthday. Shout out to A-Rod the God.
Shout out to A-Rod the God.
The motherfucking best baseball player of all time.
All time. Better than Babe Ruth.
Way better than Babe Ruth. Get Babe Ruth out of here.
Also, Michael Jordan of basketball.
Also, Babe Ruth was not white. You know what I'm saying?
He was black.
Jesus was not white. Babe Ruth was not white. Y'all losing a lot of heroes.
What was white?
Cool beans.
You know what was white?
Who?
Poison.
White Jesus poison. Yeah. What goes around comes around, my nigga.
So we touched on everything. Wait.
I'm very proud
Breaking
of
news.
Breaking news.
Prince died. Got him. Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle. Pockets hang fat like Terrio, a.k.a. Chris Stapps for Sling Dick, a.k.a. Eli Litby. Mr. Butcher's Gully, Slow But I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ H Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, Mr. 1994, Mr. Mikhail Going Off, Mr. Pulling Up for 40 with your shorty, aka Mr. La Marina and Mess Marina with a freshman arena and a cold misdemeanor, aka your problematic baby.
Yo, it's your kid Mero, you know what I'm saying? Your boy. the Don, the human do-rag flap, you know what I'm saying? AKA Curve Gotti, AKA Donovan McDab, nigga, AKA Feel the Ass Tyson, AKA I'll open in your medicine cabinet, nigga, I don't care. Nigga say, AKA Ben Boston, you know what I'm saying? I'm the motherfucking God. If you see me at Target, I'm swiping my card several times because I'm sure it has dough on it. Holla at us, Bodega Hive, we love you.
We love you. Shout out to Bodega Hive. Shout out to Red Bull Studio, 220 West 18th Street. Thanks for letting us rock here. As always, we love y'all niggas, Bodega Hive. Be safe, avoid the bookings.
That's right.
Let's go. Wow. We out.